Hello everyone, my name is Shalini Radhakrishnan and I am a part of graduating batch of 2024 from the MBA program. The entire experience of MBA program at Ahmedabad University has been a really wonderful experience for me. The entire thrust of MBA program place equal emphasis on not just gaining theoretical knowledge but practical knowledge as is something that is really a differentiator. Now, another aspect that is very important and that shines in the entire MBA program is the interdisciplinary approach that is followed throughout the university. So by interdisciplinary approach, we often get to sit with students from different programs and learn from their perspective, and thereby it offers a platform where we can share and gain knowledge. Talking about the critical aspect of MBA program, I think the entire curriculum has been designed very intricately. For example, we have a root camp project that spans across the entire 2 year, wherein we visit real companies and solve their real life problems. If I talk about my company, so I worked for a company which is into manufacturing of structural steel products. So during that entire 2 year, I not only solved their critical problem by using different analytical skills and modules, but also I got to learn in and out about the entire project and the entire curriculum of the company, the way the company operates in and out, including their sales, their domestic, international, different parameters. So all in all, the experience have been really great, and I only wish the best of luck to all the coming students and the graduating students as well. Talking about my future plans, all the learnings that I have got from Ahmedabad University, all the learnings that I have received from Career Development Cell, who have played a vital role in our placement season. I think all these learnings will play a vital role in the coming future, and my only future goal is to work for a reputed company in the HR domain itself. Thank you so much.